Hey, there's a whole ass other video on there.
The Parker one?
Yeah.
We hardly filmed anything. Just we realized how bad everything was turning out. Like we don't want to show anyone this.
Speaking of bad, things going bad.
A lot of things been going bad.
Pretty much everything's been going wrong lately.
Yeah.
That's our lives. See you next time.
Yeah, let's not make a video today. This is probably going to turn out bad.
My mom invited us down south to her house. On the way back, my tire went.
It was funny because DJ was like, on Twitter, he was like, read these tweets.
Absolutely annihilating this Taco Time bathroom before I sit in traffic for the next 2 hours, hoping my corded tires don't give out on I-5. And then 1 hour later, tire popped. But some nice DOT guy stopped and laid some flares for us, and he gave us some extra flares, and Quentin came and brought me a spare tire.
Yep, and that was the day after me and Parker totally destroyed the rear fenders on his 240.
Maybe throw in some clips so the footage doesn't go wasted.
Okay.
Now we're gonna roll these fuckers? Yeah, we're rolling these fuckers tonight.
But
anyways, DJ and Kat are gonna go get tires on these wheels.
I used a credit card for the first time in my life, and I got 2 studded winter tires for the front of the Civic. So I'm gonna go get those mounted on some old wheels that I had, the stock wheels for this car, and then throw on the stock Steelies all around with studded winters up front. And while they're being mounted, we're gonna come back and hopefully make the Corolla drivable again. Drop off. Point behind.
Alright, so we got this new shiny alternator, and hopefully that is gonna fix this car. Well, we know the alternator is bad, so this is gonna kind of fix
Help it at least.
Yeah.
There she is. The power, the AC pump.
Oh, that's spooky.
I know. I was like, I got the last one out, and my fingers like pinched in this, and it hurt so bad.
Saw blade.
If you don't know, we was fix car. We unfix car on accident, and it goes smoky, smoky. Pew, pew. We pulled a fuse out of a place that there shouldn't have been a fuse, apparently. And afterward, smoky, smoky, no more. Chargy, chargy, no alternato. So we pulled.
Oh my god!
Big boy just landed on the top of
So sorry that just happened to you.
There's a fuse for some shit that is no longer in the car anymore. So we put a fuse in a fuse box, or a fuse slot that we shouldn't have, I guess. And a bunch of shit started smoking and being scary. So we pulled that fuse out and it stopped smoking, but the alternator didn't work. So I was checking voltage regulator and all the fuses and everything, and just like checking on shit. We decided, well, maybe it's just the alternator. So we pulled the alternator out, got it tested, and it doesn't work. So here's a new one. Also, in the alternator fuse spot on the fuse thing, it's supposed to be a 7.5 amp fuse. There's a 20 amp fuse in there, so
I don't know how to get.
just put it in there. Just give it the old 1-2. Ah, fuck. The old 1-2. Ah, fuck. Maybe if we alternate.
Yeah, if I take a turn, you take a turn.
Yeah, or I could be AC and you could be DC, and we can alternate in between those two.
Kind of feels good on the ground. It's cold. But
That's what I always say. Kat, what are you gonna do? What's the first thing you're gonna do when your car works?
Drive it to work.
Whoa. Man, it sure is nice being up here, not down there.
Mm-hmm. Cat's getting down and dirty. We're getting up and clean.
I'm cleaned up.
So small.
What do you want to do while she does this?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do? We could golf battle. What if we kissed at Pine Forest? And what?
Well, I don't get it because like I could see like the holes lining up, and then I'd stick the thing in, and it just like wasn't going. So I wiggled it a little bit out of alignment, but it's like it wouldn't even catch anywhere.
Maybe run alternate.
No, I did not.
Let me give it a shot. Let's alternate on this bitch.
What up? Tilt the alternator all the way up, like. Maybe you should. Oh, got it.
What the heck?
Fuck. Here you
How
go.
did that happen?
Alternated your ass. I think it was just really tricky to line up.
It was.
I just saw it go straight in like easy breezy, lemon squeeze.
Yeah, I think I just got the right flick on the dick, you know? Ooh, oh yeah. Yeah. That reminds you, not remember that?
Yeah.
From Jackass?
No.
Oh, she's on.
Time to hook up these little thingies.
Up and away. I'm always hooking up my little thingy.
Thanks, DJ.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm excited for this to work. Now I have to wipe off the inside on my ceiling.
It still smells like good.
Yeah, it do
What
smell good.
the hell?
This happens every time. Every time it sits for a second, it does this. And I usually keep the towel in here, but it's on the ground right now. Don't get it on my seat.
Why, dude?
Because it's so leaky. It sucks really bad.
Just imagine, like, they come out of the bedroom or something like that, and my whole mouth is just covered in, like, grease like this. And we're just, like, I just don't know. We're, like, hanging out, eating dinner, watching Netflix. And then the cat comes down and her
What part
whole
of me
mouth.
is covered like
Yeah.
is
I don't
where
know.
are we getting it from? We have a new battery terminal thing.
Where are you going? Trying to get covered. Hiding his boner. All that's left is we got a fucking we gotta tension it. We gotta tension this belt. We gotta tension that. Gotta put some tension on there. Do you want intensity or do you want tightness?
Intensity.
Intensity, okay. So the alternator needs to go that way to get more tension on the belt. And then while it's, don't go too ham, just ham enough to get some tension on the end.
More ham?
It's pretty good.
Ham go ham. Yeah, ham's like so sweet.
Like
Hickory
turkey's always so
smoked ham.
dry.
Wait, Kat, what do you know about turkey and ham?
I ate it like 3 years ago before.
Alright, pull your stick out. So what I want to do is eliminate all this shit and just run it to one cable. I don't know how safe that is, but I mean they all do that anyway in the end. Because it used to be like, you know how my S13 has a plug on the terminal?
Terminated.
But so it used to be like that, I assume. So I really just don't know what to do. Just keep it like that?
Just for now.
Just keep it like that.
Just for now. I don't like it either, but it's like, what else can we really do right now? When do you have pool?
Yeah, when's
7?
pool? Shit. You just want to get drunk.
Exactly.
Quentin literally just wants us to. Hey,
He
you
doesn't,
guys.
he doesn't care about our support.
No,
he
I
just
do.
cares about our Ubering services.
Dad, are you gonna take me to my softball game? Sure, son. Why? So I can get drunk.
Yeah, I feel like a disappointed mother.
I do all the time, but just for various reasons.
What if it breaks again?
That's you know what? You know how tight that is, man?
What?
Tighter than a. I don't know. So many possibilities. Tighter than a nun's asshole.
Oh. I can
Tighter.
only imagine.
Tighter than.
If you think about it,
Think about it.
nun's pussy's probably tighter than her asshole.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Because she only be
She'd be
Pissing.
pooping poop out of there.
Yeah.
She got a big. She.
Did you just say
Eating
she'd
all that.
only be pissing out of there?
Yeah, that's where the
pee
pee
out
comes
of
from.
I
vagina.
know that, but it's not like she's taking shits out of her hole, of her pussy hole.
This is the most monetizable channel I've ever seen. Yeah, but I mean, I'm with you. But what's tighter than a nun's asshole? I mean, aside from a nun's vagina,
That's gotta be it.
it's got to be. But you think nuns use tampons, or is that like a sin?
They're
Also-
not allowed to.
Whoa.
They use like a garter belt, and you put an actual rag in there. That's why it's on the rag.
Nuns, dude, that's crazy.
My grandma was a nun.
You know what?
Not for very long. Well, she was for a long time, but she dipped.
Yeah, until they found
As
out.
soon as she got
as
the
soon as they
chance.
found that Tampax wrapper, she was out.
As soon as they found the dip in her lip, she did.
Yeah, the old lip dip, the old 1-2 dipperoo.
Wait, but we should also acknowledge the fact that getting fucked in the vagina doesn't make your vagina looser.
That's true. Vaginas are muscles.
Fuck, I don't think I saved it.
That means the more you get fucked, the stronger your pussy gets.
Do Kegels.
It-
Buy
that-
Kegel bells.
That which doesn't kill you only makes you tighter.
In more ways than one.
And that's a fact. Letters on my mom's fridge, I always change them up every time I'm there. And this time it was Fat Nun Eats Cosby. So I was like, I have a contribution to the nun conversation. It's about nun justice against sexual predators. But
Okay.
Fat Nun
Is
Eats
this
Cosby.
gonna be fine?
I'm gonna go get the best angle of your guys' life. Yeah.
What's up, dude? Oh, hey, Josh.
What's up?
It's a party up there. Hang this, bro. Man, the production quality's really gone up recently.
Way up.
Way up. It's gone all the way up there, dude.
Imagine if I just dropped this.
start time?
Yeah, imagine if you just dropped it.
Bye.
Yeah, you can try it. Make sure she's in neuter.
Yeah.
That was amazing. It's just this hose clamp.
Oh.
I saw that earlier and I was like, I bent it out of the way. I was like, that should be fine. I was very wrong.
That's a horrifying noise.
Yeah. Is there a light on the dash?
Still says charge.
Fuck.
If anyone knows what the deal is.
Well, the thing is, it smoked. Electrical smoke was happening, and I've gone through under the dash and stuff, and I haven't really like cut into loom or anything because there's not that much loom. Like everything's pretty exposed, and like nothing's fried or bubbled or black or anything like that. Like everything looks fine. So I have no idea what happened.
If anyone knows, let us know.
Yeah, this is fucked up.
If anyone has any ideas.
Don't know how to test this, somebody in the comment section will know how to test this voltage regulator. I can't really find anything online that's like dummy proof. Like there's a lot of stuff on how to do it, but I just don't understand the
It's like a
instructions.
bunch of old guys.
Yeah,
that are
like, well, you're gonna take this thing and just 14 ohms, and that's about it.
And they're like, thanks, Rick, and that's it.
Car's fucked. $5 grand. I know what I got.
Fuck off.
Oh.
We're not selling this shit.
Yeah, we're at a point where I can no longer help you with this car. Riley or Maurice will probably fix this in 10 minutes.
Maurice, yeah.
Yeah, drop it down in the comments if anyone has any ideas. We'll probably end up having to outsource some help on this puppy because we are idiots most of the time.
Yeah, when it comes to wiring, even like this is like fairly simple shit. This car was EFI and then it was converted to carbureted, which is like why there's so much shit in the engine bay. So it's a little bit more complicated that way, but still like 80s shit is pretty simple.
So, I guess
Buddy once told me.
we'll conclude this video.
What you whoa now, buddy. We still got tires to show off.
Oh,
to
yeah.
show off. So we're gonna pause this video and then come back to in like maybe 6 hours when that thing has some tires on. I
to
have
Michael's.
no idea. Yeah, let's go to Michael's. Let's wash up. Boom, and then it's a couple days later and we're in the kitchen.
Yeah, lots of stuff has happened between now and when we tried to finish that video. Basically, we went to the shop to film a new video and we were going to show off the new wheels because it took a little longer for the shop to get the wheels done than we expected. So we were going to show the wheels off at the shop, and then I accidentally deleted that clip where we did show off the wheels and kind of make an outro for this video. Accidentally deleted that clip, and so that's why we're here now. But yeah, also the Skyline is fucked, so you guys will see that in the next video.
Yeah. If you follow us on social media, you already know all about that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so stay tuned for that next video.
Yeah. Thanks to our patrons. Also, thanks to the people who... We got like 15 orders after I posted on Instagram that the Skyline crashed. So, big shout out to you guys who decided to like send over some love by copping some merch, and that helps out. So, thank you guys. And thanks to our patrons and everyone else who supports us.
Ice
See you
cream
in the next
paint
video.
on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy cam. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hand. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts so I could put some racks on my